press the bell icon on your YouTube app and never miss any of my videos.
Hey guys, welcome back on Indian Makeup. So yeah, if you are seeing any radiant, any glowing skin right here on the screen on my face, so yeah, this is a magical recipe which I have bought for all of you guys, and this is a 0 rupee investment recipe. So yeah, because you would be needing 0 rupee for like investing in this skincare recipe. So yes, without any further ado, if you want to see how I have made this and what it is, then please keep on watching. So for making this magical face scrub, you would be needing some honey. This is the organic honey. If you can find organic honey, that would be like the best thing. But if you can't find organic honey, you can use any market honey you have at your home. So yeah, you would be needing some honey, and this is the main ingredient. So this is rice flour. Yes, we all have like rice at our home, and some of us have rice flour also at our home. But if you are not having rice flour at your home, no issues. Just grind some of the rice in your mixer and you would be left with the rice flour like this. So yeah, this is the thing, and now I would be showing you how to make this magical face scrub. So this is around a spoonful of your rice flour. I just forgot the name. So yeah, you would be needing some spoonful of rice flour, and then I would be mixing a whole spoon of my organic honey in it. So you have to mix it nicely, and you would get something like this. So it's really thick. So I have added a little bit of honey more, and yeah, I am left with a thing like this. This is really thick right now. So yeah, this is ready. Your magical face scrub is ready, and now I would be showing you how to use it. And now let's see how to use it, and then I would show you results live over here. So you can use this face mask like anywhere in your body, on your hands, on your legs, on your body, on your face, on your neck, and it would give you amazing results, guys, believe me. And I would show you right here right now. So yeah, I would be grabbing a little mixture right here on my hand, and I would mix it here, right here on my hand, and it would get warm a little bit, so it would get like somewhat manageable. So yeah, this is it, and now I would be gently scrubbing my face and massaging my face. It will also help in removing your blackheads because it is a really nice exfoliator. So no need of knowing those professional moves, facial moves. You can just use your circular motion, and this would help you a lot. Go in a very soft circular motions, because if you go very harsh with your circular motions, rice flour can actually scratch your skin. So be very soft on your skin. So yeah, I have washed my face, and my face is bare clean, and you can see it has given me amazing results, and the result is right here in front of you. You can see my face is looking radiant, much radiant. So yeah, this was my magical face scrub recipe ever. This is like something super easy, and you'll be needing 0 rupee for this, guys, because everybody has honey and rice flour at their home, and if you're not having rice flour, you must be having rice at your home. So you can make your own rice flour at your home. So yeah, this is like a 0 rupee face scrub recipe, and it gives you beautiful results. Rice is like anti-aging. It gives you beautiful result. and honey is nourishing, it is anti-aging. So yeah, this is the recipe and this is the result right here on my face. So yeah, this was my recipe of my 0 rupee face scrub ever, and if you loved it, please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe for my channel if you haven't yet. And yeah, this was all for this video and I will be winding up my video over here. Bye bye, see ya.